Today, I want to discuss about one of very common way regarding Google Ads. It is a very good uh, tool, and that is ad rotation tool. It's a very good function of Google Ads. And what does it help you? It's basically Google suggest you in case if you want to run multiple ads and determine which ad is working well for you, which ad is generating more conversions, more clicks, more CTR for you. You can do it by ad rotation formula. By default, Google has an option of optimizing where they decide where they randomly run both ads and determine on their own on which ad is working good for you, and then they automatically can select that ad for you. But you can also manually select it. Where that option is available and how you can do it, I will show you in this video. So let's get started with me. So for ad rotation Google Ads, okay, so here you go. This is a, in case if let's say if we are on the this is the normal dashboard of any Google Ads account, and we have to go to settings, and in settings, if you can see it, additional settings, and here it is being set as a ad rotation. So you have an option of optimize, that they will automatically select best performing ad, and Google will run it for you. And in case if you want to manually do and want to run both ads, you can do not optimize, and they will rotate the ads indefinitely, both ads, and you can decide on your own that which ad is good for you. If you ask me on which option should be preferred or opted, I would say that in the start you can select that do not optimize and have it for a week, and after that you can select which ad is good and then opt for the other by pausing the other ad. Because in case if there is one ad in the campaign, you cannot rotate because there is only single ad running, or you can move to the optimized ad. So I think that both ads should be given a fair chance. Even the default optimized function gives fair chance to both ads, and then select ad which is best performing for you. But in case if you want to run both ads and do the test on your own, you can select this option of do not optimize. Both options are good. The best option is definitely the optimized. But in case if you are looking for a data, it's not a bad idea to go with the do not optimize, and you can have a data for a week, and then you can select which ad is working well for you and then go with it. But in case if you are sure that the Google system is working well for you, because I have in several campaigns that optimize function worked very well for me, and I had tried the do not optimize function as well, and both have their own cons and pros, and both worked well for me. So it's not a win-win for anyone, it's either of the strategy. By default, in case if you do not have much time on to determine which ad is good for you, you can select optimize function and Google will automatically select the best ad for you. But in case if that is not the like, if you have a time, it's not a bad idea to go with a do not optimize, and both ads will run, and you will determine which ad is working well for you, and then you can pause that ad which ad is not working well for you. That's where you have your own data and research on which ad is working well for you. So with this, let me end this ad rotation on Google Ads. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.